No, but we do have some of these big warm-ups too at this time of the year. So we're banking on that maybe we'll see a few warm days. That would be fun to go out to Carowinds on those 80-degree days, but it is cold right now. You've got the freeze warnings out there, and that includes for the Triad now. So these are big changes. You're right. We've got the winter feels like temperatures already in the mountains in the teens and 10 degrees earlier at Beech Mountain. So it's a cold day. Protecting plants and our pets, of course, tonight, those are our top priorities. And remembering where you're putting those space heaters. If you happen to be using a space heater, you want to keep it away from furniture, curtains, and make sure we're checking our batteries and the smoke detectors too. And all right, we're looking at temperatures from this morning. 35 degrees in Reidsville, 38 degrees in Greensboro. And you know, I had to convince my kids that they actually needed a jacket this morning, at the very least a sweatshirt, because it was going to be brisk out there with the winds. But we're looking at 36 degrees in Mount Airy. You feel, of course, colder than that, all thanks to the winds in a few spots. Take a look at 34 in Sparta, 48 in North Wilkesboro. You go along the mountain ridges and you feel like 7 degrees right now in Beech Mountain. I said 10. Well, it wasn't cold enough. 7 degrees right there. 24 degrees for feels like temps in Boone at this hour. You're combining the temperature and the winds have been very gusty today. We've seen gusts as high as 25, 30 miles an hour. High temperatures have reached in your 54. We have these big temperature spreads from those 30s to the 50s because of the dry air in place. And look at that colder air. It is going to be shifting out of the region as we go into Thursday, beginning to see some improvement. So seasonable weather for us. We have warmer temperatures that build into most of next week until late week, where we might have another cool down coming our way. So this is the pattern that we're expecting. And we see frost and freeze likely with several mornings through the next few days, at least, and chilly highs through middle of the week. So we're not out of the 50s until we hit late Thursday into Friday, likely. With dry conditions, the dew points are sitting in the 20s, and we have the freeze concerns out there for you, as we mentioned, thanks to this cold front that is sweeping in right now. You can see dry air behind it. With those dry conditions, though, it allows for good radiational cooling. We see temperatures that fall into the 20s to low 30s, and then during the day, we can warm up as much as into the 50s, even 60s. With these swings in temperatures, this is pretty typical for this time of the year, but normally 70 is our average, with 49 for morning lows. 38 degrees officially in Greensboro this morning. We've been as cold as 25 degrees on this date, and you're looking at the next couple of mornings, hopefully out of the record zone, but the very cold air still with us even through Friday morning. Look at that, low 30s to upper 30s across the Triad, and that does put us in the freezing to frost advisory concern. Now, winds are going to be up too much tonight, we believe, to have major frost. You could see it, though, in pockets where you're wind protected, and so typically where you might see it, and you know those areas that would be wind protected, so pay attention to that around your house. Your winds are out of the west at 8 to 12 miles an hour, gusting to 15 tomorrow. Your highs at 57. Temperatures at 29 degrees in the foothills. Mount Airy, Yadkinville, Elkin, you'll warm to about 55 degrees and winds at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. You're also freezing in the morning with those upper 20s and low 30s. 24 degrees in the mountains. Even though we still have winds up overnight, we think it's going to be that cold. So this is a reinforcing shot of cold air behind this front. We've got you gusting to 25 miles an hour. Feels like temperatures, those wind chill values at 30s for the afternoon, even though you're forecasted to be at 43. And this really is the time of the year that we expect to see these frost and freeze conditions. So we're almost on track, maybe just a touch early for us, but we are looking at that frost and freeze more affecting folks in the eastern Triad the first week of November. So for folks in Burlington, Asheboro, it's a little early. And we do look ahead to seeing that we have a better warming trend for the next several days when it comes to morning lows. Take a look at your 7-day forecast, folks, on your Wednesday. It's an alert day for your morning freeze and frost concerns. And heading into Thursday and Friday, we're still close to freezing, but we'll have been through the worst of it, and the frost is still a possibility. You've got 64 degrees on your Friday and low 70s into next week. All right, Michelle, thanks.